The weather of Iran has four seasons. Iran is the paradise of fruits. The temperature difference between the coldest and hottest region in Iran reaches 50 degrees. Iran's economy used to be based on crude oil, but now, due to the sanctions on Iran, Iran has made progress in various industries. Please, before watching the video, if you are watching the first time to travel to Iran, please subscribe. In the name of God, hello friends, how are you? I am Vali from Travel to Iran channel. In this video, we want to speak about Iran's weather and Iran's economy. Iran is one of the most unique countries in the world in terms of climate, because the difference in the air temperature in winter between the hottest and coldest parts of Iran sometimes reaches more than 50 degrees. For this reason, you can always see the growth of summer fruits in Iran, and it was winter. Phenomenon is one of the most important advantages of the climate in countries with four seasons. A significant part of Iran is covered by dry and desert lands. Significant parts of the north, northwest, and west of Iran towards the southwest are also mountains, and limited parts are plains and fertilized. In terms of rainfall, Iran is one of the dry and semi-arid regions, and it cannot be considered a country full of water. According to the geographical location and proximity to the mentioned areas, Iranian cities have moderate and humid, cold and mountainous, hot and humid, and hot and dry climates. Okay friends, how was the video? Do you like it? Please, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video for other people. Now we want to speak about Iran's economy. International trade is the most important aspect of the country's economy. If a country does not promote its commercial exchanges in the international arena, it will never be able to bring economic prosperity to its society and people. Whether these exchanges are in the field of export or import. In any case, the import of goods will be accompanied by the entry of needed items into the country, and the export will also be accompanied by the entry of currency, and both of these cases can provide the satisfaction of a society. Iran's economy in the field of exports is mostly based on oil and gas. Also, other sectors such as services, animals husbandry, agriculture, industry, and art also form economic sectors. It seems that a long and difficult path for self-sufficiency in this field ahead of Iran. Iran's exports products include goods and items such as oil, chemicals, and petrochemicals, fruits, and dried fruits and carpets, which are exported to countries such as Japan, China, Turkey, Italy, South Korea, Iraq, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Russia. But Iran's imported products include factory raw materials, basic goods, food, and many consumable and technical services from countries such as Germany, China, Russia, France, Italy, South Korea, Japan, Turkey, and the other country. Well, my friends, I will end the fourth part of the video here because introduce Iran will take a lot of time. In the next video, I will speak about touristic city of Iran. I hope you enjoy watching this video.